Good morning, students. Are you ready for our class? Yes. In previous class, we studied about parts of microscope. Okay. Now, we are going to discuss indicators of in our textbook. First question. Why is mirror fixed in a microscope? Why is mirror fixed in a microscope? Mirror reflects light rays from the source to diaphragm. Mirror reflects lights from the source to diaphragm of microscope. Okay. Next question. Why do we use slide that made of glass to place the material to be observed? Why do we use slide made of glass to place material to be observed? The glass slide can transmit light through it. Light transmit through the glass slide. Glass slide can transmit light through the slide. So, the light focus on the materials on glass slide. Okay, glass slide can transmit light through it that focus on the material on the slide. Okay, next portion. How to use microscope? We learned the parts of microscope in the previous class. Today, we discuss how to use microscope. Okay, yes. First stage. Adjust the mirror of microscope. Adjust the mirror of microscope so that the light falls on slide of the microscope. Slide on the microscope. Okay. Adjust the mirror of microscope so that the light rays falls on the slide of the microscope. Okay. Okay. Next stage. Adjust the shutter of the microscope. Shutter of the diaphragm. Shutter of the condenser. Okay. Adjust the shutter of the microscope to allow required amount of light come in. Okay. Adjust the shutter of the microscope that help to allow the required amount of light to the come in. Okay. Okay. Next one. Take the glass slide, the observed material to place on it. Take the glass slide and observed material placed on it and cover with a cover glass. Okay, and this slide placed on the stage of the microscope and fixed with a clip. The observed material slide placed on the stage of microscope and fixed with a clip. Okay. The last step, and view through the eyepiece lenses Okay, got it? Yes. Next one. How to prepare a observed material, observed slide? How to prepare? Yes, we prepare a observed slide to taking cross section of a root of plantain. Cross section of a root of plantain. We prepare a slide taking cross section of a root of plantain. Okay? Yes. We want some materials for this experiment. We required for some materials for this experiment. Which are they? Microscope, petri dish, watch glass, brush and cutting instrument, slide and cover glass, stain, glycerin and tissue paper, needle are the material required for the experiment. Okay, materials required for the experiment are microscope, petri dish, water, stain, glycerin, stain and glycerin, brush and tissue, slide, blade and watch glass. Okay. Okay. How to prepare a material? First of all, we put the material, put the observed material to the petri dish containing water. Put the observed material petri dish containing water. It helps to prevent the dehydration of the material. It prevents the dehydration of the material. Okay, first put the observed material in the petri dish containing water. That helps to prevent the dehydration of the material. Okay? Okay. Next step, we take the thin section of the material. We take the thin section of the material with the cutting instrument. Here we use the blade. Okay, take the thin section of the material. Can you see? Okay, and transfer it in the petri dish water, and transfer it the petri dish containing water. Okay, and take thin with a brush, and take with a brush a thin end section and transfer it in another petri dish containing water. Take a thin section and transfer it another petri dish or watch glass containing water. Okay, again it's wash and transfer it stain containing watch glass. Stain containing watch glass. Okay. Okay, we wait for 1 minute for the staining purpose. Okay. 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 Here stain is used to give the color of plant part or cutting section. Okay, stain is used to give the color to the plant part. Okay. Here we use the saffron stain. Here we use the saffron stain for the coloring staining purpose. Here we use the saffron stain for this coloring purpose. Okay, and it gives the color. Saffron stain gives the color to the plant part and differently seen in separate parts. This materials differently seen separate parts. Okay, saffron stain is used here. And next step, we take the staining thinnest end. Take the thinnest and complete section. In the thinnest and complete section is transferred into the fresh water and wash thoroughly. The stained thinnest and complete section transferred into the water containing watch glass. This section is washed with pure water because the excess of stain is washed off. Okay, excess of stain is washed off. Okay, next this section is transferred into our clean and plain glass slide. Okay, glass slide. And we take one or more drop of glycerin. Take one or more drop of glycerin and place on it. Okay, one or more drop of glycerin, place on it. That helps to dry up the material on the glass slide. That helps to prevent dry up the material on the glass slide. And next step, can you see the cover slip? Okay, cover this material with a cover slip. Cover this material with a cover slip with the help of a needle. With the help of a needle, we put the cover slip on this material. Okay. With the help of needle, we place a cover slip without air bubbles. Okay. And next stage, place this material glass slide on the stage of the microscope and fix it with a clip and viewing through the eyepiece lens. Okay. 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 Next, how to record our findings of experiments. Okay. In this science experiment, we record each and every findings in the experiment. The sample of recording experiment. The first is aim. What is the aim of experiment? Yes, to develop the skill of findings. They develop the skill of findings in the experiment. Record the findings of experiment. To develop the skill of recordings, finding the experiment. Okay, record the findings of experiment. Next, record materials. Which are they? Microscope, stain, glycerin, glass, watch glass, petri dish, water, section material, blade, cover glass, etc. are the material required for our experiment. Next one, observation. What should be observed through this microscope? The square shaped, in this observation, we can see the square shaped outer layer. Okay. Next one, all the chambers are under the square shaped, outermost layer are alike. All the chambers under the square shaped outermost layer are alike. Next, double walled cells are seen. One below the other. Okay, observation. The square shaped outermost layer are seen. chambers are alike and double walled chambers can see. Okay. What is the inference? Inference are we can see through the microscope all the chambers. We can see through the microscope little chambers. We can see the little chambers or the different type of cells. Little chambers or different type of cells. Okay, students, please listen the word cells. Please listen the word cell. Okay, in the starting of our chapter, from the starting of our chapter, we learn the little chambers, that is the cell. Okay, from the starting of our chapter, we learn little chambers, that are cells. Okay, what is cells? Cell is the structural and functional unit of our life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of our life. In previous classes, we learned about the cell. Okay. Cell is the structural and functional unit of our life. And cell is a unit of life. Cell is the unit of our life. Cell, all organism made up of, all living organism made up of cells and cell products. Cells and cell products. Here we learn the little chambers, that are cells. Cell is the unit of life and cell is the structural and functional unit of our life, and all organism made up of cells and cell products. Cells are joined together tissue, tissues are joined together organs, organs are joined together organ system, systems are joined together organism, from cell to organism. So we can understand all living organism made up of cells and cell products. Okay, students, we will study more about cells in the next class. Okay, we will study more about cells in next class. I hope all of you understood today's class, and take care. Okay, see you.